Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Joyce Trunk of Premier Group, and we are here to talk about all things PPP, loan forgiveness, and what's next. So, I know this is going to be a crazy week for us as it's election week. So, we're super excited about that. No matter who you choose, at least you got out. I hope you got out and rocked your vote and did what you had to do. But as far as PPP goes, I know we've gotten so many calls and emails about PPP forgiveness. Will it happen? It will not happen this year. In fact, you have up to 12 months to submit your PPP forgiveness application. So do not fear or get concerned that you're not going to be eligible for forgiveness. Because as of right now, the SBA had banks, some banks have started accepted applications, but most have not because the SBA is still kind of finalizing its rules and Congress is waiting for a bunch of stuff. So in Congress right now is a bill to basically anything under $150,000, you would just have to certify that you spent the funds correctly, and that would be it. And so we don't want you to go through and stress yourself out. If you had any amount of PPP funds at this point, we're suggesting that you just hold off on forgiveness until the rules are finalized. And in fact, in the same Congress, we also have an additional bill that might even do a second round of PPP because businesses right now, still with COVID, there's a lot going on. So as a result, we don't want you to worry about PPP forgiveness probably until the first quarter of 2021. Because if they issue a second round, then that's going to push forgiveness back. And if they say they're going to just let you sign off on $150,000 or less, that should make your life a lot easier. We tracked everything, which is great. I know you all have your receipts and your payroll. So we have that available if needed, because you do still need to keep that handy just in case they ask for it. But for the most part, anything under $150,000, we are expecting them to just forgive it with just a simple certification that you spent the money correctly. And then for those, we've also gotten calls to say, well, I'm starting to run out of PPP funds. What's next? Is there any other funding available? I know recently Maryland had a workforce funding available to assist with payroll. We expect that the SBA may also even expand the EIDL program because originally that program was supposed to loan up to $400,000 to each business. But because they were trying to get the funding out so quickly, they capped it at $150,000. So there may be another opportunity to expand the amount of EIDL loan that you got, the loan that is not forgivable, but is 30 years. There's an opportunity or a possibility that will be expanded to up to $400,000. So stay tuned. There's a lot going on. We are still here as always to assist you. We've started working with a number of our clients on tax planning strategies and making sure that they don't get to the end of the year or get into 2021 and have these crazy tax balances. So if you need help, we're here. Please reach out to us. We can be reached at accounting@pgservicesinc.com, or you can always go on our website, www.pgservicesinc.com, or give us a call at 301-577-6444. And as always, please stay safe.